So this is new camera, and we are came new camera means we are change our camera app. First, I stream with the what Droid camera. Now we are streaming with the Irunium camera. What was that? How to spell that? It's a Iriun camera. So we were streaming with this Iriun camera. So as you can see here, we are came back with the trading, and as you can see here, we have equity of $22. Yesterday I lose over $15, and why I lose, I didn't figure it out right now. Still, why and how I lose. So is this oil is going up and oil is starting to go up. So we are just waiting for the trade, which can we get from this stuff. What I'm thinking that I have to just go on this US 30 because as you can see here, if you see here, we have to analyze all this stuff. Huh? Okay, we have to analyze all this stuff. We can't go impulsively and buy everything which is not in our dictionary, not in our. So here is what it is. So as you can see here, here what I see, this pattern, my pattern, the God pattern is here. But yes, in the night there is a one FOMC, so we can't believe this. So what I'm thinking that it is very consolidating. See here, very consolidated. But I think that this should go here, then came back a little bit here, and then go up here. But because of Iran and Israel war, what it will happen, you don't know what will happen next. But what you know is that you have to focus on your charts or your patterns to figure it out and see here. One type of shoulder is here. See here. So this was the area where I wanted to get a TP from this stuff. Even I have the Wi-Fi. Still, this stuff is showing me that your internet is too slow. So as you can see here, last time I said that this will come here, then it will go up here, and same things are happening right now. But what we have to focus is that we have to take a trade from this angle. But I am waiting for because there is a news came after a see here. From here, I just want to get a trade like from here to like there. So what will happen in the next phase? We don't know, but we have to back analysis on this also. So as you can see here, last time the same structure has been made here. Where is the path? So last time the same structure has been made here, and then it came a little bit down, and then he gives the big rally. So as I wanted, I go for the live stream also, but in the night. Now we are recording the vlog, we are recording the streaming, recording the backend analysis. You can say we are go live on the real analysis or real trading. Okay, real trading means real time trading. Okay, so now we are founding that the trade has been has coming or not on our direction because this can be the big trade, but there is a only one thing is stopping me from getting this trade is that is that is that is that is FOMC news, and in the 6 p.m. there is a USD news, cold USD news. As you can see here, let's see. Let's I will show you that. So this is the best, and where is the news calendar? Here is the calendar. I have to start also. See here, core PPI, PPI, PMM. Then CAD news are there. Overnight rates are 7:15 news, and then federal news are there. FOMC statements are there. So anything can happen. And in the 12 a.m. also the FOMC means tomorrow is the red danger day. You can say, and There is no USD news after that. So means avoided trading from the night is a good. So as you can see here, we have just see that this trade can make us a profit, but we have to check or analyze another pairs of this same similar pairs of this same pair. Let's see here. As you can see here, there is a support. As you can see here also, where is this thing there? Where is this? But main problem is that I can't believe on the US 30. Why see here? Same thing is happening here also. So means WWW, there is a W Kenichi Sona is there. So same thing is happening here also. Max level. See here. Last time we are done this stuff. Now as you can see here, we will see also BTC also. BTC is doing what? BTC is on uptrend or downtrend. As you can see here, BTC is clearly on the uptrend, but it should be break these levels. It should break this level, then he can jump over a big things. So we are waiting for that also. AUDUSD is doing what? That's what I am also finding. As for a 15 minutes trade, or if you see here, there is a no type of anything like look like that. We are waiting for that. Now we are analyze also the Ethereum also. We will analyze the Ethereum also. So we start the chart price of the auto, and Ethereum is very low. In the past days, when there is wait a second on the 1 day time frame, as you can see here, this was the most of the time of he gone there. Then this was the another segment where he gone. Then we will go to the 4 hour time frame where we have to see the Ethereum will go where. And as you can see here, here is a little bit upside, but I didn't think that this motherfucker will go up very well, because I think that this will also go down. So as per my view on the Ethereum, if you wanted to enter in this trade as a swing trader, so you can enter and you can make a good amount of money from this also. But there is a no type of a head and shoulder is there, so that's why I don't enter in this trade, or that's why I'm just not focusing on this trade. I'm just focusing on another pairs like this pair, USD As you can see here, we get the SLOs. Fucking, this is the fucked pair on this whole industry. I just I want here one shoulder, so I can enter on this trade. I want one shoulder here and one type of shoulder here, and then after that I wanted to get a little bit like candle this, and then I want this. Yes, it can go down, and then if he creates like these candles and started to go down, it's very well. So we will enter for the head and shoulder, but now we have to wait for the confirmation or for the trading. Oof. Now we are focusing on the gold. So as you can see here, gold has given a breakout of this stuff. Gold is doing what I don't know. I am finding that gold want to do what. XAG is same. XAG is not different. XAG is doing the same as the gold has been doing from the last. I am thinking I should change the name of this channel. But what name should I have on this channel? That's what I have to think. And today is the oh shit. Today is the day of. Today is the not day of. Today is the day of. Okay, all the stuff has been gone from here. So we have to again analyze this shit. Again mark this thing. So as you can see here, before taking a trade, we have to analyze all the stuff. So here one head and shoulder has been made, and then this will drop like this. Then he are waiting on this segment where the things can be go down or things can be go up. I'm just saying that what I think that this should came at least here and then goes up. But as you can see here, we have to use also Fibonacci. There, I didn't use most of the time. What type of Fibonacci is it? Wait a second. I will get my Fibonacci from this. Where is my Fibonacci settings? Okay, we have to go to the settings to find the right Fibonacci settings because this. Okay, we will go to this. Then we have to. आज स्ट्रीमिंग करतोय. We just have to go. ये maximum खाली जाता है video. जाईल तो खाली असं वाटते मला पण मी पण आता अनालाइज केला. So as you can see here, gold is just doing the breakouts, just going down. What is this behavior of a gold? Which is I'm seeing. So if the gold is giving a breakout, this could be a great chance to get a trade on this. We just want how much time it is. Wait a second. Actually, he's giving the good breakout, and we should we have to we are doing the Fibonacci work, so we have to just focus on that first. So I just add this Fibonacci, all the stuff I have add, but this XNS is not working properly. 0.32382 is good level, but there also I want. So this is what is this? Okay, laptop has started lagging. Laptop has started lagging 0.618 or 0.666. 0.6. As you can see here, the gold has started to go down. Why it is going down? I have to figure it out and take a trade on that also. 0.5 and 1.015 and 0.5. It's good rally is going on the gold. Wait a second. We just don't want the background on this stuff. Gold is going with the good rally. But as you can see here, we just have to wait because we can't just directly trade on this. But the time is good, and also the London session has been started, and the gold has been started to falling down. So we should plan this trade. Before the planning this trade, what I am thinking that I just wait for the next candle. If the candle goes on the right direction where which I wanted, so I will enter on this trade because the gold has been given a good amount of breakouts here. All the stuff has been broken down, so we can expect that the gold can go downside very well, and we can get a big trade also from this. So we are waiting for that, And if the thing is that the gold does not want to go down and he wanted to go up, so we are finding the we are finding also that also. Let's see, yeah, let's see. Here is the Fibonacci. Here is the perfect Fibonacci. Okay, where is this? This is the perfect Fibonacci. Let's see on the US oil. The same Fibonacci is there. The same Fibonacci is there. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to save this layout. Okay, we have seven this layout and main panel is gone. So we wanted to go with the main. Okay, now we have seven this layout. Save this layout. Seven this layout. What the fuck I am talking about? Save this layout. And here, as you can see here, there is the W type of pattern is making in the USD XAG USD, but in the gold, what is the gold doing online? Who knows? Lagging is too much high right now. See here, what the fuck is the gold is giving a very good breakout of this structure. So what I wanted to go with the gold, but just wait for the next candle because you can't enter directly on this stuff. Yes, it is the right, even it is right trade, but you can't go directly. I want that second candle should be started to go down because it is lagging a little bit and there is no chance where I go enter in this trade directly and get fucked over from for nothing. We are focusing on the gold because oil is not working. See here, oil. This is the condition of the oil. And now the camera angle is very good and camera is also good, which I am feeling. As you can see here, camera is looking good and almost it should be look good. So I just like to focus on the US 30 also because this shit can go up and 530 is the last time where he can start to go up or 530 na means it is not a time but see this. That is the reason why I don't directly enter on this trade because I knew that directly going on the something which is you don't know and which is in the middle of the ocean can bleed you very well. So that is also the reason why I didn't go inside on this trade. Take a place. So what we are doing right now, we are just waiting. We don't have anything to do. We just waiting. We this is the game of the patience, and you have to wait for that. Every time you have to wait and nothing to do. So as you can see here, how much time we are streaming? 19 minutes has been gone, and does the buffer is there or not? Just tell me. After doing these things again and again, I am very very. When I have the energy, I am very very flow very now, going to little bit smoothly in the English language speaking, because no one will do for you. Do you think that the God will do for you, or you think that directly the skills comes in your body? That's not happening, brother. You have to do every day, implement the action every day, so the skills can came in your body or in your mind, and you can and you will be the person what you wanted to become. So that's the first and the most and the main reason why I now we are a little bit getting oil trade also, a little bit focusing on the oil also, because oil is also getting down. What I see is that oil should go at least here, but oil is coming down here. So I just want at least oil came here on this passage. So if this passage has been broken down and it goes down, so we will think that we have to enter. But if it is not down, if it is not, see what I said for little bit time, from little bit time ago, by little bit time ago, it is the correct sentence in the English verbal language. So some people think that your body is big, then you have to eat too much, but that's not the case. Whenever your body is too much big, you did not require to eat too much. If your body is not body is muscly big, not a big like fatty big. If your body is the fatty big, then it requires. So this is what I am talking about. This is what I am talking about, brother. This can happen to with anyone, and this is why I'm talking about. So this candles has been made, like, now we have to wait again 15 minutes, because the candle can be go down or can be go up, I don't know. But after the 15 minutes we can get a solution out in that. So what we will do for the 15 minutes, we are analyzing 4 hour time frames trades on the US 30. We have to analyze on the US 30, so we can go for the 30. So because I have planned that the US 30 trade will go right, and all the stuff which I plan. So we have to analyze for the 30. So we are doing the backend analysis like we do all of the time, and we will record that and show to the peoples. There is a no watching, but we are still doing, because I like to do this type of shit, and that shit will work, not work. I don't know, but here, as you can see here, left shoulder is little bit here, right shoulder is little bit here, but in the middle I see the W, so I did not wanted to see. Oh ho 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 ho. Hi hi hoy hoy. What is this? Hoy hoy. So this is what can happen, and now I am interested to go down. Shit. So as you can see here, the same trade has been we have founded that this was the W type of structure. Where is that? See here, we have founded that same structure that happened there. So let's see what will happen, and the same shit will happen again and again. See what I said came properly on my thing, and then going from properly from there. So this is what, after doing it 2 years, look like. Means you know little bit about the market, but still are not profitable. We are not profitable from the 2 years. Profitable means I wanted to at least go over $15,000. $15,000. So become a profitable. 12 to $15,000. So I will become a profitable. But let's see what will happen. Oh ho ho ho. This was the head and shoulder, perfect head and shoulder, and I have to enter on this trade. And I like to enter on this trade. Let's see. This shit will go at least for here. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Let's go. And this shit has been hit our TP of the 2.39. So that's what I'm talking about. And then he same makes the WKDJ Sona. Then now he will come little bit down, then go up. Let's see. Now what will happen? Is it coming down? Yes, he has been came down on our levels. So now he is going up or going down directly. He is going down directly. He don't want it to go up because there is a support and resistance. Because whenever the market breaks or higher levels, then he started to consolidate on that. He makes a support and resistance levels and consolidate on that areas. So as you can see here, what was that? Why was that? And how was that? We don't know, but we know what we are the best. So we will see what will happen next. So I wanted to enter on this trade, like same here. I don't wanted to change anything. See right now also we can how we can make a good amount of money from this. See now you can call me anything, but now we have to we have given get a 1.42, and here a little bit head and shoulder type of thing has been made. But can we get a TP, and we get the TP $5.5? How we get this trade? What is the logic behind this trade? Logic is simple. Our strategy is simple. There is no confusion on that. See here. Let's see here. Let's go and then one there. This was the strategy, and same thing has been happen again. So be the I wanted to do live stream, but they are YouTube are not allowing near the 50 subscribers, and I did not have the 50 subscribers. Even I have the play buttons, but I did not have the 60 subscribers. So what will you do for that? What is happening here, bro? Here is happening where, bro? So as you can see here, we found out again a head and shoulder type of a thing, but we just have to wait, and it makes a W, so we can't enter on this trade. And I wanted to enter on this trade for a upside, not a downside. Let's see how much up it will go. Is it will go very good? Yes, it has been gone very good. It has been gone very good. And now we are out of this trade, and we are just going down for this trade. Why? Because it is on the upside, and he makes the head and shoulder pattern also. How head and shoulder? Where is the head and shoulder? As you can see here, this was the head and shoulder. So we are waiting for the getting our TP hits. Let's go, bro. Don't waste my time. It is a TP. So we have just expected too much, but we have get a $2.4. It is clearly on the upside, but still give us a 2.5. So that is the case. Now we are waiting for the another trade, and here he makes a double top pattern. But I did not know how the double top pattern should work on the USD US30 or not. Uh, is he I think I have to enter on this trade. I think not. I'm sure I wanted to enter on this trade with getting a forward to 125, and I will get that. Not. This is the second TPSL, and I hate most what about the swing trading is that. Wait a second. I hate most about the swing trading is that even you are even you are in the profit, and then you are, so this is not right. Even you are in the profit, but still I want this. So even you are in the profit, but still you are not in the profit means after some time it will go for non-profitable state. Ah, shit. Left shoulder, right shoulder, and head and gone down. This is what the head and shoulder strategies looks like. So try our best. Don't cry like a bitch. Be the god. Be the god. So as you can see here, I think 15 minutes has been over. As you can see, so still I wanted to enter on this trade. This is the current market where we have to enter, where we like to enter on this trade. So we are entering here and get a 2.5 of this trade. So the candle has been closing. So let's see what we will get on this. Let's close this and let's go for this. This is what the level looks like, and let's see what the gold has been done. What gold has been doing. What is the gold? Gold is doing what? We have to see that. Pin bar candle looks like this. That's why I don't enter on the gold trade, because last time I enter on this trade, I am make a profit, but this trade is not a worthful trade. Let's see oil is doing what. Oil is on the consolidation mode, gold is on the nothing mode. Gold is doing what? Who knows? Let's wait for the 4 minutes. If this candle closes in the green, we are entering on this trade. But if this candle is closing in the red, we are eating the chakli, do the push-up squats, and then we are making a thumbnails. So our, yes, camera is right. From the 5 p.m. to the until the 8 p.m. there is always the camera. The net has been gone. Net has been came. Net has been gone. Net has been gone. Why? Even I paid for this shit. Still, this shit is happening with me. And the gold has been going down. Very, very good. As you can see here, market is not giving a fuck about anything. And market is just crashing like shit. So we are entering on this trade. Why we are entering on this trade? Because we have seen from the last time. Let's see here. For after on the 4 hour time frame also, it is look very bearish, and he has been broken very big levels. So we have to just enter on this trade on the basis of, let's wait for this where I get discount trade. I'm just interested to go at least from here. I don't think so. This big breakout will came today, but the shit is dropping very in the speed. So why is this happening? Why is this going down? What the fuck is this? The oil go with only one candle. See, that is what happening in the market. I just want get a discounted trade on this level from this level. But the market, if the market has wanted to give me that level, it's good. But I don't think so. But why oil is gone like that? As you can see here, oil has gone out the with the one candle. I just entered here before 3 hours ago. Okay, US 30 has been came down. It's also good news for us to re-enter in this. So this can came at least here, so we can re-enter on this trade and get the benefit from this trade. So let's go, and the TP will be a big. Why, bro? Why? We have the internet. We have all the stuff. So TP will be big if this trade has been came down like little here. And now what I wanted to see that our yes, that's why it is lagging a little bit. It's not a little bit lagging, but still it is lagging. So we have come close all the stuff, and now we are seeing that it should come down, and just waiting for the oil, gold. Oh, ho, ho, ho. If the gold gives us a good type of a candle, see here, that's what I'm talking about. Why gold gone down? I don't know. Why it is going up? Because he directly gone down without any my permission. That's why he is going down, going up. And then what is the US oil? Oh, US oil has been done. Let's see. US oil directly gone and makes the. So in the night we are getting trade. I'm sure that right now we can't get a trade. Almost what I found out that we are getting a trade in the nights. So what we are doing right now is just analyzing little bit market and show you that how things are happening in this world, in this trading. Like wait a second, I have to just close this camera and check my MetaTrader app where I trade. But still I am looking. Yes, wait a second, where is the MetaTrader? Mobile is lagging too, heated too much. Ooh, oof, Eesh. What the fuck is this? Wait a second, I have to call my brother. Where is the brother, brother, brother? अरे बघितलंस का? अरे बघितलंस का $40? अरे मी पण आता अनालिसिस केला होता, मला पण वाटलं होतं बरोबर आहे. मी अनालिसिस नव्हता ना केला त्यामुळे मी म्हणत होतो तसं. नंतर मला मी बघितलं तेव्हा मला समजलं होतं की बरोबर आहे. पण अरे अरे मत नाही. मी आता अनालिसिस करायला बसलो होतो ना 4 तासाची, तेव्हा मला समजलं की बरोबर आहे. हा. जाऊ दे, जाऊ दे बाबा. ओ भाई साहब. चालते. So brother has been making a good amount of money from this. Now the question is that what the fuck I am doing? If the brother is making everything, everyone is making. What the fuck I am doing here? And US 500 has also dropped very, 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 very wrong side. US 30 has been dropped very, very wrong side. On the mobile, it looks good rather than it's seen on the means you can see on the laptop, but when you see on the laptop, there is only one problem, that that is lagging. Laptop is lagging. My laptop is lagging. So that is the main problem which I am facing just because of the laptop. And the code has been broken all the levels. Let's see what we will do for the 15 minutes time. Oof, oof. Ethereum has gone very good. So 4,000 rupees has been made on this. Now what I am thinking that what am I doing? Not others. What is the others doing? But what am I doing? What is the thing? Is there any news right now or what? I don't think so. There is a news right now. Just 6 p.m. There is a news. So what we will do right now is just wait for the gold. No, what the fuck is this gold is doing? Let's wait for the 8 minutes. In the Wednesday, they are dropping like this much. Then in the dangers. Wait a second. We will see how much it can. We have just watching this. We just have to wait. There is only 20 minutes remaining. Why the board is broken like this? 20 minutes to close the that level, which is. Let's wait for the 5 minutes and then we will try to enter, or we just want. The fuck is this? All this stiff stuff is red. So we are just directly entering on this. We just have to wait. We just have to wait, I think. Because there is something stopping me from doing this. Yeah, what is wrong with the gold? Why it is falling away? Very, very big. Just 3 minutes, just 3 minutes, just 3 minutes, because just 3 minutes. I can't enter in this middle because the entering in the middle is in the middle of the blood. It should not the right decision. Or we should enter in this middle. As per 3 minute view, which I am seeing that we have to see this candle has been very big, so we can get a good amount of stuff from this also. But we just have to wait for the entry. The setup should be activated, or the entry should be activated. Can't go directly because it is a gold. It can convert in a seconds from the profit to the loss. So oil eyes just came down like nothing has happened with him. What does the Bitcoin is doing? This shit is not too much big. breakouts in the Bitcoin. Why this is much gold? Gold is been going. I have to execute the trade. That's the most time I do. I will execute the trade without thinking. But now we have to just wait for this another trade, another confirmation. That is the trade we should get the discounted entry on this trade because this trade is not a good trade as you can see here. Oh, fucked. Gold has been fucked. Now, if this candle close in the strong red, if this candle close in the strong red, what internet is well, all the things are well, but something is there. It is called the. Wait a second. Where is the? I think the camera has been also closed, so we can't do anything right now. We just have to focus on the trade. The voice is audible, but the camera has been gone because the Wi-Fi has been gone. I just want this trade a little bit up so we can go enter on this trade. This is making me very, 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 very angry right now. We have enters. Just leave this shit. We have to wait, we have to wait. And we are not doing anything. So it is not mean anything if wait we have to hedge also this trade. I think so. We have entered very, very downside and we can expect that 80, 84, 85, 80 levels, 84, 85 dollars can be expected from this trade. If mistakenly this trade has been gone very quickly upside, that should not be happen in this trade. But if it is going upside very quickly and it is going upside, oh fuck, 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 fuck this. So how much we are in the equity? $15 equity is there. See, that's why I don't do this. I am just little bit scary about this money. If today we lose again, if we lose again, so this shit is not right now well working for us because we don't have equity right now, and we just wasted all of our equity on the taking the trades on the right direction. It's a 1:6 trade. As you can see, he has been broken the level also. but the trade is giving a pullback or going down. It is on that trade. Why we are enter on this trade? Is there is any reason behind this? The simple reason behind this, the breakout has been started, and whenever the gold has been given, give a breakout. Let's go. We are in the good amount of profit, $6 profit, and let's go. That's why I don't think I'm just entering this trade, because if I just waste time for thinking and don't take a action, then this shit you can't see. Sometimes you have to do the stuff which is in front of you, and you see that stuff is right, but your mind is not allowing you to do the stuff. This lazy mind, or you can say the mind which is not in your control, or which is not in your not with your side. What is this? If today I lose and then I just recover that stuff again, then that does not mean anything. So there is a 10 minutes. So we have to just do this stuff again. Wait a second, I just wanted to add equity on this. If I lose this amount of money, this is I have making on the whole day of working. I am not coming back on this trading with my calm mind, which is saying that you don't have to come back on this trading, because if you are always losing, that does not mean anything that you have to continue to do the stuff which you are doing right now, and which you don't have to do, but we have to just, where is the B between? I think this should not required, but it should not required. So I don't enter. If I lose this $11, I have losing all the stuff. That's what I think in my mind, and then I will just leave this shit. I don't think so. The third candle should go down or up. If the $30 is as per my knowledge, the candle should go very down very quickly, because it is a third candle. Mostly I'm entered on the second or first candle, but now this time we did not get an entry on this stuff, so we are entered on the last. Now we are facing the losses. Wait a second, XAG USD is doing work, reverting from that area. Let's get a little bit profit from upside also. Now he will go a little bit upside, and then he will show us. Why not? We will get a profit from upside also. If he wants to fuck us, we will fuck him again. But that's not the case, I think. So we are closing this upside trade. Mistakenly placed. Fuck me. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Why we are closing this $4 loss trade instead of closing all the position is there? We are waiting for the 6 minutes candle stay. And now what I think that I have to stuck with my plan. I don't want it to being panic and add another position for a downside or upside. Just stuck with my plan. And oof, 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 oof. This is not right. If I get this loss, the equity should drop very big. So instead of getting this loss, we are just deleting all the. Wait a second. I just wanted to send this USDTs in my account again so we can trade again. And if we lose this, this is over 3,000 rupees where I just save for the swimming. I just close all the trade. Now we are not entering on the gold. Or we should enter on this gold. We should enter on this gold, but we should enter on the higher level a little bit than this. This level is minor as little bit come up. I will enter on this trade, and then we will. Why I close this trade and got 15 equity has been gone there, 7 equity has been gone there. My real funds are 7, and all the stuff is no. Fuck. We have just fucked us again. We have gotten a panic entry, and this is the reason where the most people has lose their money by getting the panic entry on this stuff. But still, we have a hope that we will cover this panic entry and make the money from this panic entry also. Around the $77 is there. We have entered very, very down. Now my mind is saying me, you are shit because you have entered most of 1,000 times and you are not entered in the one time and you are not stuck with one plan. That is what my mind is telling me right now. But let's hope we will make a money from this. Or we get a fuck from this. I don't know, but we just now we have to wait for a later bit of time so we can see this will happen. This will do what? I think that I have to close this trade, but I don't go to close directly. I just want to have this trade in the profit or have this trade in the CTC. So we can close this trade right now. I can get a better thing on this. Okay, trade has been gone to $3 to $4 profit, and we are just waiting for this. Okay, okay, now trade has been gone very good. Now we are not leaving this trade. Not leaving this trade. I'm not leaving this trade. We just want one trade which will go in our direction in the right way, so we can make money from that. So as you can see here, we can get a trade in upside also from this level. So we are just close this trade, and we are getting entry over here. There's an over here. Where I enter in this oil before 430, this is not the good level where I enter. At least the level should be here. The level has been hit and hit this level. Okay, okay, okay. You can't directly go. Bro, you can't directly go. Bro, you can't. You just have to climb a little bit up so we can enter, and then we have to go down. So again, we have making a mistake, but now I don't feel any type of mistake which I make, because if I am getting a wrong entry instead of getting a good entry on this, on the level which I wanted, so it is not a mistake which I make, I feel. Because if you are getting an entry where you wanted to enter, and you are not just getting an entry anywhere like a circus, this is what happens. And fuck me. There is a 30 minutes remaining, so this candle can be converted to green. I think that, and then it can go down. If it is came up, so we will enter, or if it not came up, we should go down and fuck this candles also. Okay, 15 minute, 4 hour candle has been closed. So what the fuck I just did? I just realized that the 4 hour candle has been closed, and now we are entry has been not right. So we are not entering. See the US oil. Where is the US oil has been going? Is it going right or it is going wrong? If the candle comes up and give me the again entry in the right direction, right position, I will enter in this trade. And if it is not giving a good position entry, so it does not mean anything to enter in this trade, because there is a 12 minutes are remaining. So you have to be green little bit, and then you have to go down. That's what I think. But the market is not going on our prediction way. So we are, at least it should be little bit green, so we can enter on this trade. And it has been coming up, so I am seeing on the mobile. So if I get an entry on my level now, I am very very satisfied with this trade, and I am waiting for this trade until the end. But if I am not getting an entry on the right direction where I have to get, so being in the trade is not mean anything. So you can't enter in the trade directly without any reason. Like I entered last time and I just got a fucked over $6 $6 has been gone from my pocket. It is not from any other pocket or any other person's. Market has get my pocket money. As per 4 hour time frame, I think that this candle should came upside because directly going down is not the good shit can happen with these candles. But the candle showing the strong bullishness. So we are just waiting for that. See, so we can see what he will do. One time green and I am entering on this trade. That's my strategy on over this trade. And if this trade has been what I said, this candle should go to the green because this candle have the potential to the go to the green. We are entering very little bit. This candle should because the 4 hour candle has been closed, so it should make a week of the candle, and then he have to go down. That's what I think about this trading, about this stuff. So 431 is the level right now. We will see how much it can go up. So we can go according to that. Shit, candle just made a little bit green and go down. Shit. Now candle can came down, gone down very good. This can be the $100, $80 trade, but the candle should respond on my way also, my side also, because I can't get an entry like here right now. At least it should come like here, and then we will enter on this trade. Because of not getting an entry on this trade, we are just waiting for and hoping that the trade will come on our direction so we can enter in this trade. And as you can see here, the candle and the trade has not. I will show in the 15 minutes also. So trade has directly fallen down. Trade has started directly fallen down. There is no requirement of our entry. Trade is showing us. Trade is telling us, "Fuck you." So we now what this trade can be the big, but why the fuck I'm just feeling very bad about this trade now right now. But as you can see, we don't have to just being with one also. There is another chances in the market also. We have to find out that more chances also. So we have to wait and see the market can give us a chance or not. But in the gold, we have just missed the chance. What I have to do now is that I have to just press the button and just leave that thread until the TP. That's what I have to do. We learned something today, but we did not make a profit on this stuff. So seeing this is a waste of time. So let's see what's my brother has. Oh, what the fuck is this? $55 are going around. So it is a shame on me that I am not making a money, and my brother has been making a good amount of money. It should be a both brothers should make a money, a good amount of money. So I am directly entering. Fuck this middle stuff. Oh fuck you, fuck you. I have directly entered instead. I just don't wanted to be nothing. I think we can get a upside from mine is not in the right direction. So we just close this trade again. Oh fucking god. This is the right trade, but I want entry on the right level where I can go. So here is one type of support is there. So let's see 15 minutes after the 15 minute that there is also news in the after the 15 minutes. So let's see what we can go from there. We can get from that news also. So in short, we have made nothing. We are just waste our time. Let's close this OBS studio right now. And let's